Hi everyone, in this occasion I wanna share with you the following steps in order to create a API documentation with Swagger. The idea is to create something like this, what I'm showing you in the screen. Well, that is the objective. Uh, First of all, we need to install a dependency here. I wanna share it with you. In this occasion, the dependency is Swagger nest slash Swagger, like this. So I wanna install it in my project, and then npm install -- save NestJS slash Swagger. This is the project where I'm sharing you. Uh, well, it's very easy, and there is some get, post, RESTful APIs, and here is the code. Okay, and now I've got the task module, user module, and something else. In this occasion, I want to create a new folder. It will be called Swagger, a new module, Swagger. Okay, and here I want to create a new file called Swagger dot interface.ts. Okay, I'm gonna create an interface while it's installing my dependency. Well, this is already installed. Okay, so here I wanna create an interface. Obviously, I wanna say export interface. I wanna say Swagger config. Then I wanna say title of a string, and description is a string version. I wanna say string also, and tags. I wanna say an array of strings. Okay. Then I wanna create a new file right here in Swagger folder called swagger.config. So I wanna say is swagger.config.ts. Okay, and here I wanna say export const swagger dot underscore config. Then swagger config. Okay, like this. Then I want to say well, it's swagger config is the type. Okay, and here I want to say title equal to, I don't know, NestJS template. Description, I want to say description something. Then version 1.0.0, tags, well, 2022. Okay, of course I need to import Swagger config. Okay, done. After that, I want to create another file here in my Swagger folder. It will be called swagger.ts. Okay, here I want to export a function called create document. Okay, what I say up in Nest application, it will receive a Nest application instance. Okay, then it will return an open API object. Done. Here I want to create a constant called builder new document builder. Okay, from NestJS also from the library that we already installed. Okay, document builder. Well, just wait a second. I'm gonna use this constant. I'm gonna say set title you will receive a Swagger config title. This Swagger config is from our Swagger config .ts file. Set description. Subdescription the same. Swagger config dot description. Okay. Also, it needs you can say add builder auth. You could say type HTTP schema builder, and also builder format as JWT. Okay. Comma, and also you could say, well, you could say after the object access token. Okay, then you can set a version also. Set version, no variant version. I wanna use this Swagger config object. I wanna say Swagger config dot version for our task. I will create a for each loop tags of Swagger dot tags. I could say builder dot add tag. Makes sense. After that, you could say const options equal to builder dot build. You wanna return the Swagger module dot create document, and we'll say up, and the second parameter will be options. Well, I wanna fix some of my Visual Studio is not working well now. I'm gonna do it manually. So first of all, next application, open API object, Swagger module, and also our document builder. Okay, and then we need a Swagger config from Swagger config. It's okay. Okay. Something wrong with our indentation. Okay, everything is fine. Schema. Right here is schema. So what's next? Click in main.js or main file, and then you will create. Well, you will add this code: a Swagger module dot setup. Setup. I will say, well, you can say anything. API in my case, and so I wanna enter to HTTP localhost 3000 slash API. This one is from our, you're defining here. Okay. Then the second parameter will be up. Okay, the application, and then create a document. Yes, from our Swagger module. Create document. I want to say up. Okay. If you remember, you know that create document returns an open API object from a Swagger module. Create document. Okay. And this is it. I want to check my console if I got some errors. So you said Swagger config tags does not exist. So make sure you're using the right. Yeah, I got an error here. Not because we say in Swagger interface tags and the attribute is tags. Okay, so tags and tags. So I'm gonna check my console again. If I have another, well, everything looks fine. I don't have errors now, but I must check our uh, localhost API. So I wanna enter to soft to API. I'm sorry. Here I will see something like this. Of course, every single method service that you will define, you will see here. Okay. Now we've got some details like this in our schemas, and also in our for example here we don't have an error response schema. So I want to show you how you can return a schema in order to define your attributes, something like this. For example, I want to use the user service. I want to say, well, user service, user controller. I want to go to post. Okay, and in post I want to say API response from, okay, from NestSwagger. You can say schema ref to get a schema path. You could say, well, in this case I'm using user DTO, so that's the reason that I set user DTO. I wanna check if I have some errors here. Well, everything looks fine. And in our API you will see your user schema as okay, as a response. Also, there is missing the schema attributes. So I wanna go to, in this case, to DTO user, user DTO. I'm sorry, user DTO, and you should say, for example, for email, I wanna say API property, property, and then you would say description. I don't know, blah blah, and type also, but in this case it's a function, so you must say I'm defining a arrow function, and you will return the type, something similar for username, your username here between 10 and 15 characters, okay, something like this. Just wait for the reload, and if everything is working well, I wanna reload this page, and you will see in post, yeah, your schema, your attributes. So this is the way you modify your attributes. So from every schema you have. So this is it for this video. Hopefully it was for you, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.